ready on that, man. So first you're gonna do your clutchy fully in there. Then we go to first gear. Right, then you will do your half clutchy. Right, also release the handbrake there for us. And then foot brake. Right, Robert, so now it's there we go. Foot completely off from the clutch. Right, Robert, let's start with the acceleration demos now. So we give a little bit mafura there. Right, you feel it, you feel it, you feel it. Go fully clutch in. Release the power. Go to number 2, straight up. Hand back, foot off. That's excellent, Robert. That's a nice one. Right, Robert, again mafura there for us. Right, clutch fully. Release the power. Change the gear. Straight down, hand back, foot off. Excellent, excellent. You see there, Robert? Very nice, no? Very easy, no? Right, Robert, let's go back to number 2. Fully clutchy in. Then we go to number 2, straight up. Right hand on, foot off. That's it. Excellent, Robert. Very good, very good. And